Duke, stop barking. Duke. This cat loves this little mouse we got for her. Why is the dog barking?
I'm eating breakfast.
Oh. Hi, good morning.
Morning. Are you taking a video?
Yeah. Duke, stop it.
She loves playing with mouse.
Duke.
Still she?
I don't even know what Duke's barking at. He can't even see the cat. He's barking at something else. No, Natty.
Good move.
Alright. I could just keep this video going for hours and hours, but...
Yeah. Go, come on.
That's a nice move. I'm going to go see what Duke's barking at.